We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating.
The work performed was outstanding and extremely well done. I was kept informed as to what was going on and even got to see how work was progressing via the monitor. I would definitely recommend Abacus to anyone requiring plumbing services. Thank you.
But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.